welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I've got a really nice car to show you. It's a Volkswagen Polo SE 68 plate deep black pearlescent. You've also got the 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels on this one. They were an optional extra. It's a really smart looking car. So as it is an approved used Volkswagen, you will get your 2 years warranty and 2 years roadside assistance should you need it, so that's really good. If you do buy this on finance, you'll also get 2 years of servicing for free. I'll show you the boot of the car now. Don't think this boot's been used much at all. As you can see, I can tell from these points when I lift up the false floor. It's all really well secured, and obviously the spare wheel is also brand new. So it's really nice. So you're inside the car as well. So as you can see, it's only done 18,574 miles. It's even still got the new smell, believe it or not. As you can see, you've got your digital display there in the middle. You've got your 8-inch touchscreen in the middle, really useful. You've also got Apple CarPlay on this, so it doesn't have built-in navigation, but you can use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on there, really useful. You've also got your air conditioning, 2 USB points. Most cars have one, so just having two is really good. Got your 5-speed manual gearbox, really smooth in these cars, really lightweight, the wheel too. Leather trimmed handbrake, obviously a leather trimmed gear knob and your leather trimmed steering wheel, makes it all feel really premium. Nice satin dash. And then the back, of course, really clean and smart. This car has been looked after really well. You have also got the full carpet set in it as well. It's really nice to have, and they also click in, so it's all been thought about really well. As you can see, a really clean, smart car. It's even got cruise control. Cruise control on this one is on the stalk, like so. So really good. I'll show you the outside and I'll tell you a few more benefits about having an approved used Volkswagen. So the outside, again, you can see it really stunning, the black in the sun. You've got LED daytime running lights there down there, and full LED tail lamps at the back. So if you have any questions about this car or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us. We do offer flexible financial services as well as offering part exchange of any brand. You get 2 years warranty on all of our cars. It will also get a full 142-point check, and isn't this little Polo just stunning? So we hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching.